Hello again, my students. Welcome back to the series of English lessons. So today we're going to see modal verbs. These are not verbs, but they are modals. Example, can and can't to express ability and inability. Now, when we use them, so we use the modal verb can to express that we are able to do something. يعني قادر نديرو شي حاجة. So we can do something, which means we are able to do it. And we use the modal verb can't to express that we are unable to do something. يعني باش نعبروا بأننا ما قادرينش نديرو شي حاجة مثلا. And look, can and can't, they are always followed by infinitive without to. يعني كيتبعهم infinitive without to. Example, we say I can speak English. ما يمكنش نقول I can to speak English. Okay, now there is a table that summarizes the form of can in all cases: affirmative case, negative case, and interrogative case. Look, so I can dance يعني أقدر على الرقص أن أرقص. You can swim أنت تقدر أن تسبح. For example, he can read, she can draw, it can work, we can do it, you can win, they can write. Look at the verbs here. So we don't add anything, no s or as or anything to the end of the verb, neither to the modal. حتى الموديل ما كنزيدو حتى شي حاجه، كيبقى هو ما كتصرفش، ما كنزيدوش اس، حيت هو ماشي فعل. نيجاتيف يعني النفي. I can't dance لا أقدر ولا لا أستطيع أن أرقص. You can't swim, he can't read, she can't draw, it can't work, we can't do it, you can't win, they can't write. Interrogative يعني بنطرح السؤال. Can I dance؟ واش نقدر نرقص for example. Can you swim؟ تقدر تسبح. Can he read؟ Can she draw؟ Can it work? Can we do it? Can you win? Can they write? Note, look here, that as I said before, we don't say he can play tennis. كما شفنا في simple present كنزيدو s ولا es الفعل ملي كيكون هي ولا شي ولا it، ولكن هنا كان ماشي فعل. So he can play tennis. ما تنقولوش he cans play tennis. And he can to play tennis. خطأ. دونك كنقولو he can play tennis. دائما كان كنتبعوها بالانفينيتيف اللي ما عندوش to without to. So he can play tennis ماشي he can to play tennis. Okay, so let's start by expressing ability. نعبر على الاستطاعة ولا القدرة ديالي لا فيها شيء ما. Okay. Example number 1. My sister can speak Spanish. My sister can speak Spanish. يعني تقدر على التكلم بالإسبانية. My sister can speak Spanish. My brother can play the piano. My brother can play the piano. Next one. Michael can swim very well. Michael can swim very well. يعني يقدر على السباحة. The girl can ride a bike. The girl can ride a bike. يعني تقدر أو تستطيع ركوب الدراجة. Now we are going to see examples for expressing inability. يعني عدم القدرة على فعل شيء ما. Here's the first example. Look at the picture. So we have a baby swimming, but he's crying. He can't swim. So the baby can't swim. The baby can't swim. يعني ما يقدرش. Look at the picture. We have a man who looks tired. Okay, so he can't run 5 kilometers. He can't run 5 kilometers. يعني لا يستطيع أن يركض 5 كيلومترات. Look, next example. So we have people playing tennis and it's raining. So ما يقدروش يلعبوا في الشتاء. So we can't play tennis. We can't play tennis. Why? Because it's raining. No, yes, no questions. Can dogs fly? Can dogs fly? No, they can't. No, they can't. Can cats climb trees? Can cats climb trees? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Okay. Can he repair my car? Can he repair my car? So if it's yes, we will say yes, he can. If it's no, we say no, he can't. No, he cannot or he can't. Can a cat fly? Can a cat fly? تطير. To fly. تطير. No, it can't. No, it can't. Can they run fast? Can they run fast? The kangaroo. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Okay, here is a short exercise for you. So use can or can't. Number 1, a cat climb trees, a bear swim in the sea, a frog jump, a butterfly فراشة fly. Ali broke his leg, يعني كسر الأرجل ديالو. He play football. Mary is too fat, يعني بدينة. She ran fast, تجري بسرعة وتركض بسرعة. My hand is hurt, يعني مجروحة ولا فيها ألم. I climb mountains. Okay, here are the answers of the exercise that we have seen before. So a cat can climb tree, a bear can't swim in the sea, a frog can jump, ضفدع. A frog can jump يعني تقفز. A butterfly can fly. Ali broke his leg. He can't play football. Mary is too fat. She can't run fast. My hand is hurt. I can't climb mountains. This exercise is for you. Try to answer these questions with yes or no. So, can you ride a bike? Yes. Can he swim in the sea? No. Can she cook? Yes. Can they sing? No. Can Ayman run fast? Yes. And you try to find the answers to these questions. Okay, here are the answers. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. Can he swim in the sea? No, he can't. Can she cook? Yes, she can. Can they sing? No, they can't. Can Ayman run fast? Yes, he can. Now, here are some other uses of can. So we can use can, as we said before, to express ability, القدرة على فعل شيء, or inability, can't, يعني عدم القدرة على فعل شيء. But still, we can use them to express something else. We can use can to ask for or give permission. يعني بنطلبوا الإذن ولا بنعطوا الإذن نقدروا نستعملوا can. For example, can I watch TV, mom? نطلبوا الإذن من الأم باش نتفرج في التلفاز. No, you can't. ما عطتناش الإذن. No, you can't. And we can use can to ask somebody to do something. يعني ممكن نستعملوها لطلب شخص يدير لنا شيء ما. Requests. So, can you close the door please? Can you close the door please? يعني يطلبون شي شخص يقفل الباب for example بأدب please. Can you close the door please? Okay, here it's used to ask for a request. Now let's write things that you can do. خذ واحد ورقة وستيلو و try to write things that you can do. For example, أعطيتكم مثال هنا. I am Alex. I'm fit and healthy. يعني I can play tennis and volleyball. I can run 10 kilometers. I can swim in the sea. I can carry 7 kilos of weight. I can speak 4 languages, English, French, Spanish and Italian. I can travel by myself and I can wash my clothes and I can cook my food. Okay, and at the same time you can write a short paragraph about things that you can do. الأشياء اللي ما تقدرش ديرها حاول تكتب على واحد paragraph. Example, I am Emma. I am weak and lazy. يعني ضعيفة وكسولة. I can't play tennis and volleyball because I get tired easily. I can't run fast enough. I can't speak many languages. I can't travel by myself. يعني ما اقدرش نسافر لوحدي. I can't wash my clothes and cook my food. My mother cooks for me. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. So we come to the end. Now, just as a review, so we use can to express ability, قدرة, and we use can to express inability, على فعل شيء ما نقدروش نديرو شي حاجة مثلا. And as I told you, there are other uses ديال can, like asking for permission and asking for a request. ديجا كاين واحد الفيديو على asking for and giving permission, تقدروا تلقاوه في القناة. And we will have a lesson about can, using can to ask about or to ask for a request. Okay, thank you very much again. Stay safe. Bye.